Hello guys, in this video we will learn how to create gigs in Fiverr. A gig is basically the service you're offering, like making a logo, writing code, or designing something. Okay, so I have already created my Fiverr account and this is what the dashboard looks like. Now the first thing we're going to do is create our first gig. But here is a pro tip for you. If you really want your gigs to stand out and land on more buyer pages, you need to complete your portfolio. Now here, click on My Business. Under that you will see four options: Order, Gigs, Profile and Earning. Click on Gig. Make sure that you are switched to Seller Profile or you will not see these options. Once you click that, it takes you to your main gigs dashboard. Before we hit the create a new gig button, you will see a few different tabs at the top. This is where you track your gig status and here is what they mean. Active, your gig is live running and buyer can see and order it right now. Pending approval mean Fiverr is currently reviewing your gig to make sure it follows their rules. Requires modification, there is an issue with your gig and need to edit it to make it live. Draft, your gig is incomplete and saved privately so you can finish working on it later. Paused, mean your gig is temporarily hidden from buyers so you can take a break from receiving order. Okay, let us now click on create a new gig. The gig title, this always start with I will. Keep it short, clear and catchy. Tell the buyer exactly what you are doing or what you are going to do for them. For example, let me write I will do design for your brand. Try to write a catchy gig title. You can also use ChatGPT for it. After giving the title, you have to select category to let buyer know that the service you're providing belongs to what category. I will select graphic and design, but if you scroll down below, you will see that there are many more options. After that, you have to select a subcategory to let buyers know that in graphic and design what you are making. Are you making a logo or a thumbnail or a flyer or an invitation card or etc. Let us assume that I'm creating invitation design. I will change the title a bit to match the category. After that, you will see gig metadata appears. There you have to select for what specific events you are creating the invitations, like for wedding, party, holiday, entertaining, birthday, or if you make invitation for any other event also you can choose the other option. After that you will see image file format. It tells that you're making invitation in what form like JPG and PNG or if you have other you can write it. Now come the most important part, search tags. This is a super important step and please don't rush. These tags are like magnet for your business. Using the right word ensures the perfect buyers find your gig instantly among thousands of other. So, how do we find the right keywords? Just use the search bar, type a service into Fiverr search bar and look at the drop down suggestion. Those are the exact phrases real buyers are typing right now. The tags that I am writing is just for example. These might not be the right keywords for this business or service. Let's move on to the next page, which is scope and pricing. Here, Fiverr will allow you offer three different packages: basic, standard and premium. Now this part is easy. You just now have to name your each packages. Like for basic, write I will make basic invitation card. In standard, write similar thing and also in premium. After that, you just have to describe each of your packages, like what will you provide in basic, standard or in premium. Select the delivery time and try to be realistic with your delivery time. It is always better to deliver early than late. Then you have to select revisions. These are how many times you will fix the work if the buyer wants to change. For beginners, offering 3 to 5 revision is standard, and for premium, I will suggest to for the revision to be unlimited. Then set a price for your each package. The price have to be in ascending order from basic, standard and premium, and the minimum price for each package is $5. Then you can add extra services, just add it according to you. And for beginner, I would suggest not to share the source file. And just like that, we are on page 3, which is description and FAQ. Fiverr gives you 1200 characters, and here is a super simple format to write it. You can also use ChatGPT. Start with a friendly greeting and state the problem you are solving for them. Use bullet points to list exactly what is included in your service, and end your description by inviting them to message you first if they had any questions. Quick tip: use Fiverr's built in bold and highlighter tools to make keywords pop out. Then, after that, you will see the FAQs section. Make sure to add 2 or 3 frequently asked questions. This saves you time by answering common doubt like do you provide source file, or what is your experience, or what style do you prefer or make more, etc. Next up is the page for requirements. This page is a lifesaver because it prevents buyers from ordering and leaving you with zero information. Here, you get to ask the buyer for exactly what you need to start the project. Keep it simple and friendly. You can ask questions like, please share your brand name and details, please explain your service, or do you have any reference images or examples of style you like? You can set these questions as a text box, multiple choice, or an attachment upload. Once you added your questions, make sure to check the box says mandatory. So the order timer won't start until they answer. Then click save and continue. Now we are on page 5, the gallery. Remember, at the very beginning, when we talked about creating a standout portfolio, this is exactly where it happened. This page is the visual backbone for your gig, and you have 3 options here: image, video, and documents. Try to upload high quality, eye catching images of your best work. Make sure your first image is bright and clean. If you can film a quick 30-second video of introducing yourself or showing your work, it will be very helpful as gigs with videos get way more clicks. Perfect if you want to upload a full catalog, case studies, or some orders that you have previously taken in a PDF form. It will also help you get more orders. Take your time making this look beautiful. Once your media is uploaded, click on save and continue. And we are ready for the final step. Here you have to do nothing but publish gig. And now if you have no problem, your gig will be uploaded successfully. And it will start showing in this page. You can also simply save it as draft and continue it later on when you are ready. And now you're ready to get your very first order. If you have any doubts at all, please leave a comment down below. I am also a new seller myself, so we are in this journey together, and I will try my absolute best to solve your queries too. Thank you for watching.